Welcome back to Invest Connect, where identity shapes opportunity and knowledge builds wealth. I'm Carl. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest economic shifts of the 21st century. A shift that's happening quietly, underneath the noise, underneath the headlines, underneath the hype. A shift that will redefine how businesses are built, how wealth is created, how markets behave, and how individuals position themselves in a world run by AI agents. This is not a prediction. This is already happening. Let's get to work. For over 100 years, the global economy was built on one foundation: labor, human effort, human execution, factories, offices, supply chains, logistics, all powered by people. But AI agents are breaking that foundation, not slowly, not gradually, but aggressively. AI is automating research, marketing, content creation, customer service, operations, product development, even decision-making. The old model, labor to output to profit, is collapsing. And a new model is rising. In the 20th century, the pillars of the economy were oil, steel, manufacturing, and physical infrastructure. In the 21st century, the pillars are compute, data, identity, AI agents, digital marketplaces, and global distribution networks. Companies like Meta, Google, Amazon, Apple, and Tencent are not just tech companies anymore. They are economic operating systems. They run communication, commerce, advertising, identity, distribution, entertainment, and social infrastructure. They are becoming the backbone of the global economy. AI agents are not tools. They are not assistants. They are not chatbots. They are digital workers. Workers that never sleep, never get tired, never ask for a raise, never make emotional mistakes, never slow down, and never stop learning. Workers that can build websites, write sales funnels, run ads, analyze markets, manage customers, optimize operations, create content, and design products. This is the first time in human history where labor is becoming infinite. And when labor becomes infinite, execution becomes worthless. AI can replace labor. AI can replace execution. AI can replace tasks. But AI cannot replace identity, worldview, taste, narrative, community, trust, cultural relevance, and human desire. These are the real drivers of business success. AI can build the business, but it cannot decide what business should exist. AI can create content, but it cannot create meaning. AI can generate options, but it cannot generate identity. We are not heading toward a world where big tech replaces entrepreneurs. We are heading toward a world where big tech provides the infrastructure, AI provides the labor, and identity provides the value. This is the new model. Mega platforms plus AI agents plus identity-driven creators. Millions of micro-entrepreneurs powered by AI distributed through platforms, differentiated by identity. This is not socialism. This is not capitalism as we knew it. This is platform corporatism, a hybrid system where private platforms behave like public infrastructure. When execution becomes free, when labor becomes automated, when AI can build a business in minutes, the only thing left is identity. Identity becomes the new currency, the new moat, the new differentiator, and the new economic engine. This is why creators are rising and why personal brands are rising. Identity-driven ecosystems are rising. If your identity shapes
here's
your
the
financial
shift you need
future.
to understand.
Identity
The winners
is
will
the
be
one thing
platforms that
AI
provide
cannot automate.
AI
infrastructure. The winners will be creators who build identity-driven ecosystems. The winners will be companies that integrate AI agents into every workflow. The winners will be businesses built around narrative, community, and trust. The losers will be labor-heavy businesses. The losers will be generic agencies and execution-based services. The losers will be companies with no identity, no story, no community. The market is moving from labor to identity, from execution to narrative, from tasks to trust, from production to personality. The future economy will not be built on labor. It will be built on identity. Identity will determine who gets attention, who gets trust, who gets customers, who gets opportunities, and who gets investment. This is why EcoID exists. This is why InvestConnect exists. This is why identity-driven ecosystems matter. Because identity is the last thing AI cannot replace. In a world where AI does the work, your job is not to compete with AI. Your job is to define your identity, build your narrative, choose your problems, create your ecosystem, and lead your community. AI is not the threat. AI is the amplifier. AI will not replace you. AI will replace the version of you that relies on labor instead of identity. The future belongs to the people who understand this shift early. The people who build identity, narrative, community, trust, and ecosystems. The people who use AI as leverage, not competition. This is InvestConnect, where identity shapes opportunity and knowledge builds wealth. I'm Carl. Let's get to work. InvestConnect provides educational content for informational purposes only. Nothing in this video is financial advice, investment advice, or a recommendation to buy or sell any asset. Always do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making financial decisions.